Hey, quick question. Am I real? Look at me closely. The way I move, the way I speak. Ask yourself, is this a real person? Because right now I'm making money for someone else and they're not even in the room. What you just watched was not me. That was a digital twin that looks like me, sounds like me, and has been publishing videos on my channel while I was literally doing nothing. Just me typing a script into software and my clone delivering it on screen. No editing sessions at 2 a.m. And here's the part that gets wild. That channel, it's generating real income, ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate commissions, all running on autopilot. Now in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step system I used to build this. Every tool, every setting, every mistake to avoid. And whether you want to clone yourself, create a completely faceless AI character, or build a whole channel without ever showing your face, I've got a path for you today. So let's get into it. But before we dive in, let me be straight with you. Everything I'm about to show you is real. The tools, the workflows, the income potential. But I want to be honest up front, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And your AI clone is not going to make you money while you sleep on day one. What you're watching is a genuine educational breakdown of what's actually working with AI content creation in 2026. The opportunity is real, but so is the work behind it. Some people will set up their first AI clone in a weekend and land a client within 2 weeks. Others will take 2 months to find their footing. Some channels will grow fast. Others will need dozens of videos before the algorithm picks them up. That's just the truth. Your results will depend entirely on how well you execute the systems I'm about to show you. Your consistency, your niche, and your willingness to keep improving. The beauty of AI cloning isn't that it eliminates effort, it's that it removes the bottleneck. Instead of spending 8 hours filming and editing one video, you spend that same time building systems that can eventually run without you in the room. If you're here to build something real, something that could genuinely change how you create and earn, then you're in the right place. All right, let's get into it. An AI clone is a digital avatar that's trained on your face and your voice. Once it's created, you can make it say literally anything just by typing text or uploading an audio file. You record yourself once for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and that one recording becomes the foundation for hundreds of future videos. You never have to sit in front of a camera again if you don't want to. Now, there are a few paths here, and I want to be clear about all three so you can choose what fits best. Path 1, clone yourself. Train the AI on your face and your voice, hyper-realistic, best for personal brands, coaches, consultants, or anyone who wants to scale without being on camera every single day. Path 2, create an AI influencer, build a completely fictional character, give her a name, a look, a niche. She doesn't exist, but she can have a 100,000 following in 6 months. No privacy concerns, no face to protect. Path 3, go fully faceless. Voiceover videos, lip-synced stock avatars, AI-generated visuals. Your face never appears anywhere. This is the stealth mode of content creation. All three work, all three make money. I'll walk you through how to do all of them. Here are the major tools on the market right now for AI cloning. Let me break down exactly what each one costs and what you actually get. HeyGen, the gold standard for video avatar cloning right now. Best lip sync quality, cleanest interface, and the most flexible workflow for creators. The creator plan is $29 per month, or about $24 per month if you pay annually. It unlocks unlimited standard video creation, 30-minute max video length, 1080p exports with no watermarks, voice cloning, and over 175 languages. Every paid HeyGen plan comes with 200 premium credits per month, and those credits are what power Avatar 4, their highest quality generation model. The math is simple. 3 seconds of Avatar 4 video costs 1 premium credit, so your 200 monthly credits give you roughly 10 minutes of Avatar 4 footage per month at standard quality. One important nuance, if you switch to the higher quality custom motion prompt mode, the credit cost doubles. A 30-second clip uses 20 credits instead of 10, which cuts your monthly allowance to about 5 minutes. For most creators just starting out, 10 minutes per month is enough to produce 4 to 6 short videos. If you need more, you can buy generative credit packs as add-ons at $15 per month for 300 credits. And those credits also work for video translation, look generation, and upscaling. For most solo creators starting out, the base creator plan is the right entry point. ElevenLabs, the best voice cloning tool on the market, The starter plan is $5 per month and it includes 30,000 credits, instant voice cloning, and a commercial license. The creator plan is $11 per month with 100,000 credits and adds professional voice cloning for higher accuracy and deeper vocal characteristics. Important distinction, instant voice cloning is available from the starter plan, but professional voice cloning, which captures far more detail and nuance, requires the creator plan or above. For most YouTube creators, the $11 per month creator plan is the sweet spot. Synthesia, best suited for corporate training, onboarding, and presentation style content rather than social media. The starter plan is $29 per month or $18 per month annually and gives you 10 video minutes per month with 125 plus avatars and up to 3 personal avatars. The creator plan is $89 per month or $64 per month annually with 30 video minutes per month and up to 5 personal avatars. One important heads up about their content moderation, Synthesia's manual review process can take 12 to 24 hours, which can break production deadlines, so don't plan on publishing same day. If you're a solo YouTube creator focused on speed and scale, HeyGen is the better fit. Synthesia shines for business and enterprise use cases. In Video AI, a powerful all-in-one video creation platform. It integrates Sora 2 by OpenAI, VEO 3.1 by Google DeepMind, Nano Banana for character consistency, and its own proprietary AI Twins v4.0 technology for avatar cloning, all under one roof, which is genuinely impressive. The business plan typically costs $20 to $30 per month with annual billing, and is the most popular option, striking the best balance of price and features for freelancers, coaches, and YouTubers. The free tier exists but has watermarks and is quite limited, so plan to upgrade quickly if you're serious about output. Design AI, the best tool specifically for building a fictional AI influencer from scratch. It bundles text-to-image generation, video creation, and lip sync all in one platform, so you're not juggling 10 separate subscriptions. A free tier is available with credits to get started. Best choice if you want to create a character-based faceless channel. CapCut, free and good for experimenting with basic AI avatar features before committing money to a paid platform. Don't expect professional grade output, but it's a zero-risk starting point. DID, a step above CapCut in quality, offers real-time interactive avatar capabilities, which makes it useful if you're thinking about customer service or live chat applications beyond just content creation. Sad Talker, open source. If you want completely free and don't mind a slightly technical setup, you can access Sad Talker through replicate.com. The results are decent for zero cost, and it's a great sandbox for experimenting with the core mechanics of AI lip sync before paying for anything. Now let's get into the actual step-by-step. I'll walk you through the full HeyGen workflow, and then we'll cover ElevenLabs voice cloning, because together those two tools are the complete package. Step 1. Clone your face in HeyGen. Go to heygen.com and log in. If you're new, you can start on the free plan. It gives you access to the basic features with a watermark. Good enough to test the process before committing. Step 1A, record your training footage. Here's where most people mess this up, so pay attention. You need to record 3 to 5 minutes of yourself speaking continuously, no cuts, no edits. And the golden rule is this: the quality of your input determines the quality of your clone. If you record in bad lighting, your clone will look dark. If your gestures are awkward or stiff, your clone will look robotic. If your audio is muffled, your clone will sound muffled. The good news, nice window lighting, your iPhone on a tripod, and a quiet room, that's genuinely enough. Key things to nail in your training footage: look directly at the camera, maintain natural eye contact, speak in a natural conversational tone. Don't perform, just talk. Leave natural pauses between sentences. The AI uses those gaps to sync better. Move your hands naturally. Gestures make the clone look more alive. You can talk about literally anything. Read a blog post, describe your day. It doesn't matter. Just keep talking naturally for at least 3 minutes. Step 1B, upload to HeyGen. Inside HeyGen, click the plus icon and select Clone a Real Person. You'll see 3 options: record via webcam, record via phone, or upload. I recommend uploading your pre-recorded footage. You have more control over quality that way. Drag and drop your video file into the upload box. Now here's something important. You'll see a little badge that says Identity Protected. That means only you can use this clone. Nobody else can steal your likeness and create videos with it. In 2026, that protection matters. Always make sure that's enabled. Give your avatar a name. I call mine Creator Clone 1. You'll see a few options. AI background removal. Turn this on if you want to green screen yourself into different scenes later. 4K resolution. Always select this. Maximum quality. Always. Remove background noise. Here's a tip. Actually, leave this off. When it's on, it sometimes overprocesses the audio and makes the clone sound more robotic. So keep it natural. Hit Create Avatar. HeyGen will ask you to verify your identity. It's just making sure you're creating a clone of yourself, not someone else. Follow the on-screen prompts. Processing takes anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or two, depending on queue times. Step 1C, generate your first video. Once your avatar is ready, click on it and select Use in Video or Create with AI Studio. You'll land in the editor. Now, here's a critical tip. Do not just type your script into the text box. I've tested this. The text-to-speech voice that HeyGen generates sounds synthetic. It doesn't have a natural rhythm or personality. Instead, hit the Upload Audio button, record your script separately, even just on your phone, and upload that audio file. Your clone will then lip sync to your voice with all your natural pauses, energy, and personality intact. Select Avatar 4 under the Motion Engine setting. This is HeyGen's highest quality model, the most natural gestures, the most realistic facial expressions. It uses more credits, but the quality difference is significant. Hit Generate. Your video is usually ready in 2 to 3 minutes. Pro tip, render it 2 or 3 times. Each render produces a slightly different performance. Pick the best one or cut between multiple renders for more variety. Step 2, clone your voice with ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. For a quick voice clone, like if you just want to test the feature, you can use their instant voice clone option. This works with as little as 10 seconds of audio. The result is decent, but not perfect. For a professional clone, go to Professional Voice Clone. For this, you have to upload at least 1 hour of clean audio of yourself speaking. Here's the smartest way to get that audio fast. Pull audio from your past YouTube videos, podcast episodes, or any recordings you already have. Strip out any background music using a tool like Adobe Audition, or even free tools like Anik, then upload just the clean voice files. Important, all your audio should be recorded on the same microphone in the same environment. Mixing outdoor audio with indoor studio audio confuses the model and degrades quality. The more audio you upload, the more realistic the voice clone becomes. 1 hour is the minimum. 2 hours is better. Once your voice is cloned inside ElevenLabs, go back to HeyGen. Inside HeyGen, go to your voice settings and connect your ElevenLabs account. They have a built-in integration. One click and now your HeyGen avatar speaks in your ElevenLabs cloned voice every single time. This combination, HeyGen video plus ElevenLabs audio, is the highest quality AI clone setup available right now. Once this is running, you just type a script, hit generate, and your clone creates the video. Step 3, create an AI influencer, no face needed. Here's how to build a fictional AI influencer from scratch. Inside Design AI, go to New Project and click Build Your Own Character. Use the text-to-image feature to generate your character. A good starter prompt: an attractive, friendly-looking young woman with warm brown eyes, natural smile, looking at camera in front of a white background. Try different image models. Flux.1 gives you cinematic quality images. Nano Banana keeps the character the most consistent across multiple images, which is critical for training. Generate at least 8 to 12 different images of your character. Front view, side profile, close-up, full body, different expressions, different outfits, different backgrounds. Then go to Build Your Own Character. Training mode, upload all those images, name your character, and hit Start Training. The AI learns exactly what your character looks like and can now generate consistent images across any scene or scenario. For the voice, go to ElevenLabs, pick any stock voice from their library, or create a custom synthetic voice. Assign that voice to your character in Design AI. Now your AI influencer can make videos, UGC ads, testimonials, product reviews, anything, without a real human ever being involved. Okay, this is the part everyone actually cares about. Let's talk about 6 real ways to earn with your AI clone. Number 1, YouTube ad revenue. Autopilot content. This is the most straightforward path. Build a YouTube channel in any niche. finance, health, tech, productivity, and use your AI clone to post consistently. One person with a good workflow can go from 1 video per week to 10 pieces of content per week. More content equals more impressions, more subscribers, more ad revenue. Creators using this system are generating tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars per year from ad revenue alone. Number 2, affiliate marketing through video. Every video your clone makes can include affiliate links in the description, software tools, online courses, physical products. The AI generates the review or recommendation video, and you earn commissions when viewers click and buy. Your clone runs 24/7. The commissions keep coming in while you sleep. Number 3, UGC ads for brands. User-generated content ads are in massive demand right now. Brands pay $200 to $1,000 plus per video for UGC-style ads that look authentic. With an AI influencer, you can produce these at scale. You could run a UGC ad agency. Clients send you their product, you generate AI influencer videos, they pay you per deliverable. No filming, no models, pure margin. Number 4, selling your clone as a content service. Other creators and business owners desperately want to scale their video content but don't have time to film. You can offer a service where you build and manage their AI clone for them, create the avatar, set up the voice, generate their videos monthly, charge a retainer of $500 to $2,000 per month per client. Number 5, digital products and online courses. Your AI clone can be the face of an online course, a paid community, or a digital product funnel. Record the course once in AI clone form and sell it forever. Use the clone to make promotional videos, email follow-up videos, and sales letters. Zero marginal production cost once it's set up. Number 6, multi-language content. This is a criminally underused strategy. HeyGen has a built-in translation feature. You create one video in English, and then with one click, your clone delivers that same video in Spanish, French, Hindi, Portuguese, or dozens of other languages. You instantly multiply your potential audience by 5 to 10 times with zero additional recording. You could run separate channels for different language markets and monetize all of them simultaneously. Before you go, here are the 5 things I wish someone had told me when I started, so please listen to final tips and common mistakes. Mistake 1, low quality training footage. Do not rush the recording session. Your clone is only as good as what you feed it. Good lighting, good audio, natural delivery. Get this right the first time. Mistake 2, using text to speech instead of your own audio. Always upload real audio. The difference in quality is massive. Mistake 3, only making one avatar look. HeyGen lets you create up to 100 different looks from the same training data. Use that. Different outfits, different backgrounds. It keeps your content looking varied and fresh without any additional effort. Mistake 4, ignoring the voice clone. If you're using HeyGen's default synthetic voice, you're leaving 50% of the realism on the table. Pair it with ElevenLabs, the voice is just as important as the face. Mistake 5, waiting for it to be perfect. The technology isn't perfect and it doesn't need to be. A realistic enough clone posting consistent high-value content will beat a perfect clone that never publishes anything. Start now, improve as you go. So there you have it. The full system, from recording your training footage, to cloning your face in HeyGen, to cloning your voice in ElevenLabs, to turning it all into a money-making content engine. I've linked every tool I mentioned in the description below, and I'll also drop the exact prompts I use for creating AI influencer characters. If you found this valuable, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need to see this. And subscribe if you want more deep dives like this one. Now go build your clone and let your digital twin do the work. I'll see you in the next one.